If you want to link your Etsy store with PrintKK, you need to have both PrintKK and Etsy accounts. 1. Go to the PrintKK. 2. Click your account, and you choose the dashboard. 3. Click on Stores and then select Store Settings. 4. Locate the Etsy option and click on it. 5. Add a new store. 6. Access your Etsy account. Log into your Etsy account. 7. You will be redirected to the Etsy page. You will see this window. Click Allow Grant Access. Point 8. Once you see the message Successfully Connected Store. Your Etsy store now linked to your PrintKK account. If you want to publish products to Etsy, you need to have both PrintKK and Etsy accounts. And link your store with PrintKK. Point 1 Method 1. Publishing from Designs, My Designs. 1. Access your dashboard. 2. Go to Designs and My Designs. 3. Before publishing, you need to design the product first. If you have already designed the product, you can proceed to the next step. For you can also add branded products to your product here. And select the product you want to publish. 5. Click on Publish. Select the store, edit your products, and design your pages. 6. Successfully publish products to one Etsy. Method 2. Publishing from Stores, Etsy. 1. Access your dashboard. Go to Stores, Etsy, Draft Add Design. 2. Select the design and the store you want to publish. 3. Here you can choose whether to add your brand. On the next page, you can adjust detailed information such as title, description, and size. 4. Edit your products and design your pages. 5. Click on Publish. Attention! The price in the column is applied automatically, where our original profit is 100%. You can adjust it according to your situation. Keep in mind Etsy charges a fee of about 5% along the way. Shipping. Let's talk about shipping before you move on. When you publish a product on PrintKK, PrintKK's shipping rates will not apply automatically. However, we can provide an estimated price for you to consider, based on the countries you've set and the shipping methods you've chosen. Free shipping is always attractive to people on Etsy. If you want to edit details like the title, description, and size, you can do so by clicking Publish on each product. Remember, if you select and publish all your designed items at once, you won't be able to edit each detailed information. To publish on Etsy, go to the Shop Manager. Choose Listings. You can edit and adjust details under the draft. Add PrintKK as your production partner. Hit Publish. Optional Product Personalization. We provide customization options for products in your Etsy store, allowing your customers to add their personal signature to the items. Let's activate this feature on Etsy. Go to your Shop Manager and select Listings. Choose the item you want to customize. Turn it on. Once your customers' personalized orders come through, it will appear on your PrintKK as well.